Hey everybody, welcome back to another video just talking about marketing and advertising online. So today I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what it is to retarget or remarket your audience based on people that have visited your site. Look, we've all gone on to Amazon or any other shopping cart, big box store, and all of a sudden everywhere we go, this boot or jacket or item that we looked at starts appearing in all of the different websites and web pages that we go to. That's a simple strategy, and it's the same thing, but it's used in a couple different ways. Google calls it remarketing. Facebook calls it retargeting. It's the same thing, and it's fairly simple to set up. Um, if you are wanting to advertise online, you definitely should have a Google Ads account as well as a Facebook or TikTok ads account. Any of the social media channels where you know that your audience is going to be, you should have a ads account set up with them. And what it's going to take is to download a piece of code and place it on your site. Now, if you're not super technical, you can just get help. We can obviously help you with that if you need us to do that. But all you have to do is download the pixel from Facebook or the code snippet from Google and place it on the back end of your site. And what will start happening is every time you get a visitor that comes to your site, it's basically going to place a cookie on their computer. And that cookie essentially connects to your ad account and starts showing your ads to your clients. Now, you have to set up the ads in order for that to happen, but the code is the initial trigger. So when they visit your site, they get a cookie installed on the computer, and now you can start retargeting or remarketing them. So I'm just going to kind of show you. So just going on this news website, and all of a sudden I start getting ads for business cards. You can see here, Upwork, any sites that I have been visiting. I'm going to start getting advertising for. SEMrush, that's another service that I use a lot. Fiverr here, Adobe, E-Trade. So all of a sudden, all these companies start advertising to me. So these are personalized messages. And every big box store understands that if you're going to market or advertise to your clients, the best way to do that is to personalize that message. Now, for me, if I was visiting this site and these were just kind of random um, ads that really wasn't relevant to me, the whole entire site would not feel relevant to me. So with these ads, it keeps things in perspective for me. So first step, go create the accounts. Google Ads, Facebook, TikTok, wherever your audience is. Second, you got to make sure that you are set up for ads. In Google, you're going to want to create display ads. So if I were to go here, so in Google, again, they call it remarketing here, but it is through the display network. So now when you go on to, say, that news site that I was just on, all those images that you saw was from the display network on Google. None of those ads were from Facebook. None of those ads were from anything else. That was 100% Google ads that you saw. Now, if you go onto Facebook and you scroll and you start doing the same thing, you'll have the same exact um, experience. The difference will be that you'll start seeing ads for different things here. It knows that I'm a Atlanta Braves fan, so it's showing my retargeting things here. If I scroll through here, it's going to start showing me sponsored ads just based on different things that I have interest in. You can tell I'm a Braves fan here. So, and you notice this over here changed as well. So this is part of Facebook's retargeting campaign here. So you'll start seeing the advertisements for that. Now this is super, super important. So you can set up how long you're quote unquote going to follow your visitor. You can follow that visitor for 2 days, 7 days, 10 days. You can follow them forever until they just start blocking your ad. So right now there isn't necessarily a window. What we have found is people either don't mind it or they hate it. You might fall into the category of I hate it, but I will tell you, you're not in a majority. If you hate seeing the ad for the item that you just looked at, you're not in the majority. So I would highly recommend you not go off of your anecdotal evidence and choose not to advertise this way, because it works. It works a lot. Your conversion rate literally can triple just by implementing this retargeting and remarketing strategy. So I encourage you to do that. Go to Google Ads, go to your audience, download the code, install it on your back end of your website. Go to Facebook, go to your pixel, and download that code, install it to your website. And then we can talk about optimization, conversions, setting up different events. That's kind of advanced code setup. But for right now, we're just talking high level remarketing and retargeting. I hope this helps. Take care. See you later.